Hello guys, I am Dr. Khan and today we are going to discuss about the male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system consists of these organs. The first or the primary organ are the testes. So the testes is a fem-mobile organ lying within the scrotum. The left testes usually lie at lower level than the right. Okay. The weight of the each testy about 15 to 19 gram, and the size of the each testy is 5 centimeter long while 3 centimeter wide. Okay. The function of the testes. So testes is responsible for the production of the sperm and male sex hormone such as testosterone. Now the next one organ is the epididymis. The epididymis is a fem structure lying posterior to the testy or back to the testy with vas deferens. Okay. And its much colloid tube nearly 20 feet or 6 meter long embedded in connective tissue. Now the next one organ is the vas deferens. The vas deferens is a thick walled tube about 45 centimeter long. The function of the vas deferens. It conveys mature sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct and the urethra. Now the next one organ is ampulla. Ampulla, the terminal and dilated part of the vas deferens. Okay. So the downward end of the ampulla is narrow and join the duct of the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. Okay. Now the next one organ is the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle are two lobulated organs about 5 centimeter long lying on the posterior or the back surface of the urinary bladder. Okay. On the middle side of each vesicle lies the terminal part of the vas deferens. Posteriorly, the seminal vesicles are related to the rectum. Okay. The downward side of the each seminal vesicle narrow and join the vas deferens of the same side to form the ejaculatory duct. Okay. Each seminal vesicle consists of a much colloid tube embedded in connective tissue. The function of the seminal vesicle is to produce a secretion that is added to the seminal fluid. The secretion nourishes the spermatozoa. During ejaculation, the seminal vesicle contract and expel their contents into the ejaculatory duct, thus washing the spermatozoa out of the urethra. Okay. The next one is the ejaculatory duct. So ejaculatory ducts are 2 in number and each ejaculatory duct 2.5 centimeter long. Okay. The ejaculatory ducts are formed by the union of the vas deferens and the duct of the seminal vesicle. Okay. Now the next one organ is the prostate. The prostate is a fibromuscular glandular organs that surrounded the prostatic urethra. Okay. The prostate gland is 3 centimeter long and lie between the neck of the bladder and above the urogenital diaphragm. Function of the prostate. So the prostate produces a tiny milky fluid containing citric acid and acid phosphatase enzymes that's added to the seminal fluid at the time of ejaculation. The smooth muscles which surrounded the gland squeeze the secretion into the prostatic urethra. Okay. The prostatic secretion is alkaline and helps to neutralize the acidity in the vagina. Okay. The prostatic secretion is alkaline and helped to neutralize the acidity in the vagina. Okay. Now the last one organ is the penis. Penis is the male genital organs, and urethra pass through the penis and it open to the exterior. Okay. And the penis is formed by 3 erectile tissue masses. The outer tissues is called corpus cavernosum, which is the pair of the tissue, and the inner tissues called corpus spongiosum, which is the unpaired tissue, and it's formed distally the gland penis. Okay.